Welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today I will show you create an open door masking video effect using Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. Import a video like this and add the video to the timeline. If you can't find this particular type of video, don't worry. I've included it in the video description. Move the playhead position just before the door starts open. Add green screen image from stock media. Unlock the scale of the green screen. Add the first keyframe at the starting point of the green screen. At the first keyframe position, set X scale 0%. Forward the playhead position and adjust the X scale accordingly. Export the video. Import the exported video and add the video to the timeline. Here I have sliced the video into two parts. In the first part, I have set the video 8 times faster. Import a video to the below track. You can import any type of video. Go to AI Tools and enable the chroma key to remove the green screen. Copy the second part of the green screen video and paste it to the playhead position. Reverse the video. Now your video is ready for export. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.